Wow, that's actually crazy. What?
This reminds us of the passenger seat.
Hello, thank you.
It's really pretty.
Like maybe.
It's a whirlpool!
Oh my god, are you excited for food?
So excited!
The water slide.
Water slides, we're headed to the water slide.
This and Megan's not. Are you scared of water slides like that?
I mean, it's nerve-wracking, but I'll probably...
Yes, honey!
What do you think, babe? Are you excited for ice cream?
Yes, it looks so good.
What flavor are you gonna get?
Well, there's only vanilla or chocolate, so I think I'm gonna get swirl.
Looking good, babe.
Yeah.
Showering before is a good idea.